After entering the spirit world, is it possible for us to return to our loved ones? Although this phenomenon may be unknown to most humans, the coming and going of people in spirit to their loved ones is a vast phenomenon, which goes on day and night without ceasing in every part of the world. As we have already said previously, it is our inability to perceive the spiritual world that prevents us from knowing such phenomenon. Dreams, or the visit of someone at our bed, which might seem like a dream to us, the vision of people, loved ones, or the appearances of religious figures are nothing but the manifestation of this phenomenon of the return of people in spirit on earth. The basic purpose of such visitations is to guide, counsel, or comfort those who have been deprived of someone very dear to them. People in the spirit are constantly working to raise the spiritual level of the individuals on earth. Precisely from helping people here on earth to grow spiritually, these people in spirit receive the energy needed for their growth in the spirit world and the benefits of being able to rise in the spiritual level in which they live. For those in hell, the benefits are not always automatic, as they have to compensate for their personal sins. Unfortunately, though, the person in evil spirit can also manifest himself to make people live physically on earth the same wickedness and sins that she lived, convinced that it was the right life to live, or just to give satisfaction and energy nourishment to her own wickedness. These wicked people apply ill will, half a joy, in the sense that even in their frustration and guilt over the sinful life they lived, they often enjoy engaging as many people as possible on earth to suffer then in the spiritual world as they do, once they leave their physical bodies.